Hey, welcome back to the video. Real short, give you an update real quick on the vintage camper build. As you know, we got the thing painted green. We got the new windows in. I found some windows that almost fit, so I had to cut them out about 1 inch around the edges, but they are factory tinted with the screen. They are slide windows. So they fit real good. I got the rest of them on order. Just wanted to make sure they would work. And they work really well, and they look real good in this camper. So that's the update on that. Now the door was another issue. If you watched the first one, the door was pretty well shot. So let's go over here where the door is. And I took the door all apart, which you can see it is A'd up at the bottom pretty bad. And it's pretty well rotted all the way around. So we're just gonna build a new frame. We're gonna put some new metal on the back and the front. That's the first piece. And then we'll be able to hinge it from the other side, because before, when you're going down the road, the door opened from the right hand side, which if the wind caught it would rip it open. So we're going to put it on the other side where the wind won't if it ever comes open. But I'm gonna go get some more flat metal, and we're going to build a new frame and put new metal on this and fix this door. We're going to keep the round hole in it, because we do have to seal and all of that stuff that goes through. So we'll keep that, and that's an update on it. We're waiting on windows to get in here for the other 6 windows, and then we'll get the door on it, get the top painted, and then we'll start jumping on the inside. Have a great day.